Hello. Today we're going to talk about the lesson in FABM2 or in the fundamentals of accountancy, business, and management. So madalas na lang tinatanong sa akin kung paano ba daw mas madali nilang maiintindihan yung lessons nila doon. So in a shortcut, actually yung ating FABM2, ang kadalasan din discuss dyan is the extended accounting equation o yung ating mga financial statements. So ano ba yung mga financial statements natin? So in accounting, meron tayong apat actually na talagang kinukonsider na financial statement, which is the statement of performance or statement of comprehensive income, statement of changes in equity or statement of changes in capital, the balance sheet or the statement of financial position, and the last one is the statement of cash flow. So doon sa unang tatlo, si performance, si changes in equity, at saka si financial position, ito ay makikita natin, ito yung pinupunto ng ating extended accounting equation, which is the asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity or capital subtracted by drawings plus income subtracted by expenses. So sa ibang mga libro naman, mas makikita niyo siya na asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity subtracted by drawings plus net income. So, it will depend pa kung net income siya or net loss. Kasi kung net income, so plus net income, kung net loss naman is subtracted ang ilalagay mo sa kanya. So, paano naman sir yung pang-apat? Yung pang-apat is the statement of cash flow. So, hindi siya dito kasama sa extended accounting equation. Yung cash flow is ang kailangan yung tingnan is the ledger of the cash. Kasi pag sinabi natin cash flow, you are going to state lang yung kung paano ba naging ganun yung total ng cash. Kaya nga, kung papaiksiin natin, cash flow, you are going to state the flow of the cash. Ano ba yung mga pumasok at ano ba yung mga lumabas at bakit ba naging ganun yung total ng cash at the end of that analyzing the transaction or after posting it or after adjusting it. So mga ganyan lang naman yon. So in terms of the first three financial statement, definitely magmula tayo doon sa uh, una, sa statement of performance or statement of comprehensive income kung partnership and corporation ang pinag-uusapan natin. So doon sa huling bahagi nito is the income subtracted by expenses. Yun lang naman yung talagang pinakang equation niya. Revenue subtracted by expenses or income subtracted by expenses. So kunin nyo lahat ng mga accounts title or amount with regards to revenue at i-minus nyo naman lahat na amount na ang pinag-uusapan natin ay expenses or expenses of the business. So yung makukuha nyo dyan is dalawa yan, pwede mag-result. The net income, kung mas mataas si income kaysa kay expenses or net loss, kung mas mataas naman si expenses kaysa doon sa income or sa revenue. So yan yung statement of performance or statement of comprehensive income. So next is the statement of changes in equity. So medyo atras tayo na kaunti. Ito yung ating owner's equity subtracted by drawings plus net income or subtract net loss. So the income, the capital, so it depends kung ang inyong klase ng negosyo ay proprietorship, kung partnership naman, so it depends kung what kind of partnership ang kukunin natin together with the corporation and yung ating magiging personal drawings or withdrawal. Ano po? So ima-minus natin si personal expenses na hindi naman ginamit ng uh, business doon sa kanyang business operation. That is the personal. Ibinabawas po siya sa capital. So after natin mabawas si drawings kay capital, if meron man, so ima-minus natin or ipa-plus, it depends on the result of our statement of performance. Kung mas mataas si income, so definitely that is net income. Kung mas mataas naman sa expenses, so net loss siya, so ima-minus natin. So, atras ulit tayo. Statement of financial position o yung tinatawag natin balance sheet. So, ang balance sheet talaga natin is asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity or plus capital. So, yung capital na pinag-uusapan natin dito ay hindi ito yung beginning capital. Ito na yung capital after natin makompute sa statement of changes in equity. Ano po? So, that is, yun lang naman. So, minsan malilito lang tayo kasi may kanya-kanyang format, 'di ba? For example, kung medyo ah advanced na pinag-aaralan ninyo, so si asset hindi lang yung basta hinilera mo yung asset kasi meron niya classification na si current asset, si fixed asset, and then si current liabilities, non-current liability together with the capital. Pero kung tutuusin, ito lang naman talaga yun. Si asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity o plus capital. Mahalaga din na titignan natin yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya sa trial balance. Kasi sa trial balance naman, nakasunod-sunod talaga yan according doon sa asset, liabilities, and capital. And according din sa kanilang classification or types natin. So, yun lang naman yun. Ang tips is dyan. So, after natin ng trial balance, nakikita niyo siya. So, yan din ang gawin niyo doon sa tatlong maunang statement: statement of performance or comprehensive income, statement in changes in equity or capital, statement of financial position or balance sheet, at yung ating panghuli si cash flow. Ang magiging guide nyo sa paggawa niyan is probably the ledger of the cash for you to be able to identify kung ano ba yung mga amount na pinagamitan or mga account or item na pinagamitan ng perang pumasok, perang lumabas kasi pinagamitan at perang pumasok naman doon sa negosyo. So that's it. Hope you will get some idea for that. Thank you.